Hello, this is Haseen and you are watching MHK classes. Today's the video is NCERT Math exercise 5.2 question number 9th. So let's move on the question. If the third term and 9 terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? The given questions tell about third term and 9 terms are those and those, and we will find which is the term of the AP is 0. So we will use the general formula to find the value of terms of 0. Here given in the questions, third term a third is equal to 4 and a 9 is equal to minus 8. Also given an is equal to 0. We will know the value of n. We will know the value of n. So we will write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Before use that, we have to know the meaning of the value of a and common difference, first term and common difference. So first term and common difference we can know from with the help of a third and ninth. We can write a third as a third. We can write a plus d 2d, and this is our first equation. A9 is equal to a plus 8d. This is our second equation. With the help of these equation, we can find the value of a and d. Here given a third term is 4 and a plus 2d. A 9 term is minus 8, a plus 8d. Subtract 2 from 1. So sign will be changed. Minus becomes plus and plus become minus, plus become minus. Both signs are same. Then it will be 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. A minus a cancel out. Minus 8 is greater in magnitude to the plus. So 8 minus 8 plus 2 is equal to minus 6d. D is equal to 12 divided by 6 minus 6 to the 12. So minus 2 is the common difference of the AP. With the help of common difference, we will put the value of D in equation first or second. Then we get the value of A. So here we put the value of common difference in equation first. A plus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 is the common difference of the AP is equal to 4. So A is equal to minus 2 plus 2 to the 4, minus minus change into plus when it goes to the other side of the right side of the equation. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then we get a, the value of a is 8, or first term of the AP is 8. Now we will use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Here you can show. Don't forget to subscribe or like the videos. Here we can put the value of a and d. An is given 0, a is 8 and n right as it is given. D is minus 2. So 8 transfer to the left side, it becomes minus 0 minus 8 and n minus 1 bracket close minus 2 into, and minus 2 is also come here. So 8 upon minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus cancel out because minus 8 and minus 2 are both minus, is cancel out. So n is equal to 4, n minus 1. Then n is equal to 4 comes minus 1 is come is our 4 plus 1 is equal to 5th. So we have get the value of zeros terms is 5th term. In the given APs, the 0 is the 5th terms of the AP. This is our answer. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask the question in the comment box, and you can comment your doubt in the comment box.